In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use pre-fill tools in your DocuSign agreements, providing you with comprehensive guidance for 2025. Navigating and effectively using DocuSign can elevate your efficiency and professionalism, so let's walk through this process together, ensuring you have a clear and rewarding experience. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to DocuSign's website. Once you're there, navigate directly to the Templates section. This is your starting point for accessing all the templates you've created or those available for your use. Here, you will see a list of templates that you have access to. Select the template you wish to work with by clicking on it. This action will allow you to open the template and see all the pre-built agreements ready for editing. Once you've selected the desired template, look for the Use button on the interface. Clicking this button allows you to start using the template for creating a new document that you intend to send for signatures. It's this step that bridges the template with practical usage, paving the path to efficiency. The next step is to click on Next. This will take you to the document preparation stage. This stage is crucial because it sets up the template for any customizations or specific tools you plan to employ before sending it out. On the left side of your screen, you should see a tab with various icons. Look out for the pencil icon and click on it. This icon is instrumental as it opens up different editing tools that you will need to customize your document further. It's an essential tool for personalizing and specific tailoring within your agreements. Once you've clicked on the pencil icon, it's time to decide which pre-fill tools you want to integrate into your document. The selection here can vary, offering options like text boxes or check boxes, which are ideal for customizing the information that will appear on your template. Selecting the right tools gives you control over what information the end user will see and need to interact with. Now you are ready to edit your document to fit your specific requirements. This editing phase is where you input all necessary information, adjust any fields, and finalize every detail to ensure the document is ready for use. After editing, look for the Line button. This final element allows you to draw attention to specific parts of your document, perfect for underscoring essential areas or providing visual breaks in longer agreements, enhancing readability. And there you have it. Using pre-fill tools in your DocuSign agreements allows you to create accurate, professional, and tailored documents efficiently. With these steps, you are well equipped to handle your agreements swiftly and effectively, utilizing DocuSign's robust capabilities to their fullest potential. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful.